10 Best Wine Aerators in 2020 brought to you by Advanced Mixology. Aerating wine allows the taster to experience the full character of a wine by enhancing its flavor and scent bouquet, aroma. Let's take a look at the best wine aerators in 2020. Check the links given in the description box below. 1010 Labs Wine Aerator Pourer is the most budget-friendly wine aerator. If you are a newbie, you can buy Zazzol Wine Aerator as it is the easiest to use. We choose Vinturi Aerating Pourer as the best overall aerator because of its smart features. Let's check our top 10 options. At number 10, we have Secura Deluxe Wine Aerator. This in-hand aerator comes with a freestanding holder so you can work with it with a single hand. NutriChef Electric Wine Aerator is at number 9. If mechanical aeration doesn't work enough for you, try this battery-operated wine aerator. Soirée in Bottle Wine Aerator gets the 8th position. This lead-free aerator can fit any standard wine bottle without worrying about leaks due to the silicone gasket. At number 7, Waerator Instant One-Button Electric Aeration and Decanter. This in-bottle wine aerator comes with an ergonomic push-button design and tight fit to serve as a stopper for your bottle of wine. At number 6, we have Menu Winebreather Carafe. Elegance and sophistication never get you wrong with this classy aerator. We have Deluxe Pro Wine Aerator at number 5. The sun-shaped contraption inside this aerator ensures that it can aerate the wine in the shortest possible time. Zazzol Wine Aerator Decanter gets the 4th position. 3 times better wine aeration due to patented multi-stage design that gives you the optimum wine experience. At number 3, we have 1010 Labs Wine Aerator Pourer. This one comes with a silicone cap that fits snugly into the standard wine bottle opening for a leak-free pouring. We have Vinturi Red Wine Aerator as at number 2. The Vinturi Red Wine Aerator features patented technology and a stylish look. Vinturi Aerating Pourer is the best wine aerator in 2020. While its main function is to aerate your wine, it also doubles as a pourer, which makes it more cost-efficient. You can buy any of these wine aerators by clicking on the links given in the video description below. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.